Guangzhou, Guangzhou, come check it out. There's always something to see, just look around. Guangzhou. Guangzhou, come check it out. There's always something to see, just look around. Guangzhou.
We're in Guangzhou. I'll identify the neighborhood later, but we're just gonna walk down the street with all the lights on and kind of capture it before it gets too dark, and kind of give you an idea of what Guangzhou looks like just in general. But yeah, there's a lot of density and a lot of people down this way, and we were just coming down from this way, so stay tuned. Donghua is just right over there for reference beneath those bridges. Slice of Guangzhou up on the map. Let's take you there as if you were there yourself. Let's do it. Guangzhou, China. Okay, so let's just try to take this in a little bit. We'll just see what it looks like. So yeah, we're in Guangzhou. We're under some arcades at the moment. Lots of restaurants. Lights are coming on. The sun is going down. So it has that nighttime feel. We'll see how interesting it becomes. See, got little alleys. I think throughout Guangzhou it kind of feels like there's alleys everywhere. It's a nice, there's an Indonesian Muslim attire. I wonder if it's I wonder where that food is from. Hui, the Muslim Han. Anyways, grocery stores. We'll just kind of give you an idea of what's all around. There's some restaurants and grocery stores and different little shops here, and it's just starting to rain a little bit here. Give you some reference. It's a weekday, like a weekday, like is it Monday or Tuesday? Tuesday maybe. And it's about 6 p.m. probably. Kind of seeing what's all around here. It's kind of interesting. There's like lots of fruits and lots of people, and these kind of like arcade style places, but they're kind of random. Yeah, Guangzhou has a lot of nice density to it. And we'll see it. We have a sign that's straight ahead, so we might even take a look at that and see what we're looking at shortly. Yeah, so Guangzhou. I'm kind of trying to think of what I can talk about on the camera here. So actually the neighborhood behind us is Donghua, and Donghua is kind of a trendy hip area, but also has stuff like a communist museum and all this kind of 1920s architecture, beautiful brick buildings and such. And then this neighborhood has a completely different feel to it. I kind of just meandered in without really fully knowing what the name of this neighborhood is. It's another Donghua road, which doesn't help me for the neighborhood, but that's some street signs. You can, if I see a street sign, I'll film it. Cigarettes. Chinese restaurants in China. Red lanterns. Usually I see red lanterns for Chinese restaurants outside of China. But I guess it makes sense they're in China as well. Okay. I guess that's a restaurant there. Cafe del Corral. That chain is in everywhere. In Macau, Zhuhai. Oh, okay, good. We got a sign here. So it is Donghua Donghua. So that actually is the name. And I guess what we'll do is we'll just continue walking down for a while. Definitely got the density of people everywhere, which is good for filming. Let's see what these donuts are. It's kind of good. Okay, so I don't know if we should end our video or walk down a little bit further. Okay, so we basically came down that street, and you can also saw the street sign, and we're probably going to come to an end fairly quickly. I just saw that it's Donghua Jilu, which is a little bit different. Donghua Donghua. So let's just go down these arcades. We'll fill in a little bit more time, kind of give you a little bit more idea of where we're at. It will probably come to an end. But you are getting an idea of this area of Guangzhou anyways in the evening time. Busy. Lots of people around. Let's meander through here, and then we're going to come to an end shortly. So yeah, I don't know what to say. Lemon work. Kind of wouldn't mind having a nice cold lemon tea, iced lemon tea. Even in this dense environment, kids has a little power to play on the sidewalk, which is good for the kid. And that's kind of cool. So there's even these little lanes in the apartments. They're going to have to come to an end. Sandwich shop, pharmacy. Okay. So I think it's getting a little bit too dark to film. It's a restaurant, it's an outside restaurant. Rice noodle wonton. Okay, so I guess on that note, we're going to come to an end. Since I find a good spot for it. Let's see. I think the camera still looks kind of alright, but it's not going to look good for long. It'll change shortly. Okay, so I think on that note, we're going to end the video. So there's a little slice of Guangzhou for you. So hope you like that one. And we'll have more. Wake up in the morning and film some more when the lighting is out again. Oh, okay, it's kind of cool. Saw that lighting. Huh. Funny cafe and bar. Let's see how funny this is before we go. Funny cafe and bar. And that'll be the end of our video.